Imagine a world where the adrenaline of a hypercar meets the limitless freedom of the open road. Forget everything you know about classy motorhomes. Forget the boxy designs of the past. Today, on Motorhomes USA, we aren't just looking at a vehicle. We are looking at the apex predator of the highway. You are staring at the 2026 Bugatti Centurion, specifically the Crimson Horizon Edition. Look at those lines. It's as if a stealth fighter jet mated with a luxury penthouse. Most people will never see this machine in real life, let alone step inside. But you're getting the full tour. We are talking about a machine that packs 1,800 horsepower but sleeps 4 people in absolute opulence. It looks like it's breaking the sound barrier while standing still. Whether you are an RV enthusiast dreaming of the ultimate upgrade or a gearhead obsessed with engineering marvels, this vehicle changes the game. We're going to open up those seamless airlock doors and show you what $10 million looks like on 12 wheels. Buckle up, because the future of travel has officially arrived, and it is absolutely terrifyingly beautiful. Welcome back to the channel, Motorhomes USA family. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into a rig that has the entire industry buzzing. Usually, we look at the trusty classics, the Winnebagos, the Prevos, the rugged earth roamers. But every once in a while, a manufacturer decides to throw out the rulebook completely. That is exactly what has happened with the Bugatti Centurion. This specific model is becoming a favorite among the ultra-elite enthusiasts, not just because of the badge, but because of its groundbreaking durability and hyper-efficiency engineering. Why is this specific model capturing hearts? It's the fusion of performance and utility. Most luxury RVs are heavy and sluggish. The Centurion, however, uses a carbon titanium monocoque chassis technology ripped straight from F1 racing. This makes it incredibly light for its size, but stronger than steel. It's designed for the enthusiast who wants to cross continents without compromising on speed or safety. It solves the biggest problem of massive RVs, the driving fatigue. With its active aerodynamics and low center of gravity, owners report that it handles the twisty mountain roads of the Swiss Alps just as easily as the straight highways of Route 66. It is the ultimate synthesis of the Grand Tourer and the MOTORHOME. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts, the customizations and modifications that make this rig a survival machine wrapped in silk. Even at this price point, owners love to tweak their rides, and the aftermarket support for the Centurion is insane. The user-favorite modification right now is the Goliath energy system. Standard, this comes with a solid hybrid setup, but many are upgrading to the solid-state graphene battery banks located in the subfloor. This modification allows for up to 4 weeks of off-grid capability without ever turning on the generator. It pairs perfectly with the chameleon solar skin, that's right. The paint itself on the roof captures solar energy. Another massive upgrade area is the suspension. The stock air ride is great, but the Maglif aftermarket upgrade is what you want for long-term living. It uses magnetic fields to float the cabin independently from the chassis. This means you could be driving over a rocky desert trail, and the wine glass on your kitchen counter wouldn't even ripple. We also have to talk about water systems. The AquaCycle mod is a closed-loop water purification system installed in the rear bay. It recycles shower and sink water back to potable standards, effectively giving you an infinite water supply as long as you have power. These mods turn a luxury vehicle into a self-sustaining fortress, allowing you to disappear into the wilderness while keeping your champagne perfectly chilled. Stepping inside, the Centurion is like entering a high-end loft in Manhattan, but with a better view. The interior design maximizes every square inch of the 45-foot length. The highlight for digital nomads is the command center workspace located behind the driver's cockpit. It features a desk that deploys from the wall and utilizes holographic projection keyboards and screens. saving massive amounts of physical space while giving you a 6-monitor setup for trading or editing. But it's not just about work. The living area features SmartMore furniture. The Italian leather sectional detects your body temperature and adjusts firmness automatically. Let's talk about the kitchen, or as Bugatti calls it, the culinary suite. It features induction countertops that remain cool to the touch until a magnetic pot is placed on them. But the real showstopper is hidden beneath the floor of the rear lounge. With the press of a button, the teak floor retracts to reveal a compact, heated indoor plunge pool. Yes, an indoor pool in an RV. It utilizes the vehicle's hydraulic leveling system to ensure the water stays perfect. For entertainment, the windows themselves turn into old screens, allowing you to black out the world and watch movies in 8,000 resolution. It is the ultimate balance of productivity and relaxation, proving you don't need to sacrifice a single luxury to live on the road. So, what is it actually like to drive a 45-foot Hyper RV? In a word, effortlessly terrifying. I say terrifying because you simply do not feel the speed. You press the accelerator, and the electric motors provide instant torque, launching this behemoth forward with a silence that is unnerving. The steering is razor-sharp, thanks to the rear-wheel steering on the last 2 axles, making tight turns in RV parks surprisingly easy. Fuel economy is where the hybrid system shines. Despite the massive W16 engine, the Centurion utilizes predictive energy management. It scans the topography ahead via GPS and switches between electric and gas to maximize momentum, averaging a surprising 12 to 15 miles per gallon, unheard of for a vehicle of this weight. To summarize, here are the top 3 reasons an enthusiast would choose the Centurion. First, the presence. Nothing else on the road commands this kind of respect. Second, the technology. The solid-state batteries and solar paint make it the most future-proof rig on the market. And third, the drivability. It makes 1,000-mile days feel like a quick trip to the grocery store. It removes the exhaustion from travel, leaving you with just the joy of the journey. It is expensive, yes, but can you really put a price on the ultimate freedom? As we wrap up this tour of the Bugatti Centurion, Crimson Horizon, I want you to take a moment and think about your own dream setup. Whether it's a $1 million Hyper RV or a lovingly converted Sprinter van, the spirit is the same. It's about that desire to see what's over the next hill, to wake up in a new forest, to chase the sunset. This vehicle is just a vessel. The real magic is the lifestyle it enables. We are living in a golden age of travel technology, and I am so grateful to share it with all of you. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of motorhomes, please smash that subscribe button. We have some incredible builds coming up, including a custom 6x6 overland rig next week. And I want to hear from you in the comments. If you had unlimited budget, what is the one feature you would install in your dream RV? Is it the indoor pool, the holographic desk, or maybe just a really comfortable bed? Let me know down below. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your horizon wide. See you on the road.